5 habits that helped me take action in 60 minutes a day. If you're a busy mom or caregiver spending hours watching business videos but still haven't taken action, keep watching. These exact 5 habits work even when life feels chaotic. Hey there! So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Isabel's AI avatar, while the real me is probably taking care of my special needs daughter or helping women launch their online businesses from home inside my membership, Home Biz Builders. But everything I'm sharing comes straight from Isabel's real journey, and it's built for real life, not perfect life. Before we jump in, I made a free video training to help you copy this simple system. It's called Save Big While Selling Digital Products with the Right Tools, and you also get my digital product Lean Launch Toolkit action guide, so you can follow the steps and build your setup right away. You can grab free access using the link below this video, and I'll pin it in the first comment too. If you're a busy mom or caregiver, you don't need more time. You need a better setup. These 5 habits helped me go from scattered to consistent, even when life feels chaotic. Let me walk you through each one step by step. Habit 1. Plan tomorrow before bed. Every single night, no matter how tired I am, I take exactly 5 minutes before bed to write my top 3 priorities for tomorrow. This is not a long to-do list that overwhelms me, just 3 things. I grab a notepad, yes, actual paper, not my laptop, and I write something like 1. Finish one product page section. 2. Write the subject line for one email. 3. Pick tomorrow's video topic. Why does this work so well for someone like me? Because when I wake up in the morning, I don't waste 30 precious minutes trying to figure out what matters most. My brain already knows exactly where to go, even if my morning gets completely hijacked by doctor's appointments, therapy sessions, or family emergencies. I still have my 3 priorities crystal clear in my mind. This one habit alone saves me hours of decision fatigue, and it takes literally 5 minutes. Tonight, before you even think about scrolling, grab a piece of paper, write your top 3 priorities for tomorrow. That's habit number 1. Habit 2. Time block your 60 minutes. Once I have my 3 priorities, I pick one 60-minute window each day where I'm most likely to actually get work done. For me, it's usually late evening after the kids are finally settled, somewhere between 9 and 11 p.m. I open my phone calendar, Google Calendar, iPhone calendar, whatever you have, and I block exactly 1 hour, business hour 10-11 p.m. When that time hits, I show up at my laptop. If an emergency comes up and I miss that exact hour, I shift it to another time later that same day. But I never let the whole day go by without protecting that 1 hour. The magic of this habit is that I'm deciding ahead of time when my willpower is strong. I don't negotiate with my tired self at 10 p.m. The decision is already made. 1 hour. Pick your slot right now while you're watching this. Habit 3. Use a simple timer during your 60 minutes. Now that I have my hour blocked, here's how I actually use it. I set a basic phone timer, 25 minutes of focused work, then 5 minutes break. I repeat this twice during my 60 minutes. I don't use fancy apps or paid tools, just a built-in timer on my smartphone. When it beeps at 25 minutes, I stand up, stretch my legs, check on my daughter, grab a glass of water, then I sit back down for another 25 minutes. Why 25 minutes specifically? Because it's short enough that if my daughter needs me at minute 18, I can pause, handle whatever crisis is happening, and still come back to finish those last 7 minutes. A full hour of perfect focus is unrealistic for caregivers, but 2 25-minute bursts with a built-in break, that's doable. You don't need a quiet house or perfect conditions, you just need a timer that keeps you moving forward, even in small chunks. Habit 4. Do your biggest win task first. The moment my 60 minutes starts, before I check email or get distracted by small tasks, I tackle the one thing that will move my business forward most that day, like finishing a product sales page, or writing the first draft of a YouTube video script, or creating one simple email that goes out to my entire list. I ask myself a simple question: if I only get 30 minutes done today because of an emergency, what one task would still make me feel like I made progress? That task goes first, no matter what. This habit creates instant momentum. Once your biggest win for the day is done, everything else feels easier. Emails can wait, social media can wait. Your high leverage work cannot. Habit 5. Create one simple daily schedule. My 60 minutes follows the exact same structure every single day, so I never waste time figuring out what to do when I sit down. Minutes 1 through 5. Quick review of yesterday. What got done, what didn't. Check today's 3 priorities. Minutes 6 through 50. Deep work on my biggest win task using the 25-5 timer method. Minutes 51 through 60. Write tomorrow's top 3 priorities. Same routine, same structure, no decision-making required. I just show up and execute. And on days when life actually gives me more space, I simply stack another 60-minute block using the exact same structure. I finish one focused hour, take a real break, and if I still have the energy and time, I repeat the same 60-minute routine again. That way, extra time becomes extra progress, not extra scrolling. This one habit builds momentum through repetition. Your brain starts to expect progress every time you sit down. Over weeks, this compounds into real results. These 5 habits don't require perfect conditions, a quiet house, or hours of free time. They work around real life interruptions, caregiving responsibilities, exhaustion. You just need to show up for 60 minutes with a dead simple plan. Let me paint a picture of what this actually creates. Week 1, you build the habit of showing up. Week 4, you have momentum and small wins stacking up. Month 3, you're not just hoping anymore, you're measuring real progress and scaling what works. Now you're probably thinking, what do I do first? Here's your 3-step action plan before you even close this video. Step 1. Tonight, grab a piece of paper. Write your top 3 priorities for tomorrow. Takes 5 minutes. Step 2. Pick your 60-minute window tomorrow. Block it in your phone calendar right now. Step 3. During that hour tomorrow, set your phone timer for 25 minutes and start with your biggest win task. That's it. 3 steps. No overwhelm, just start. So right now, you have 2 paths. Path 1. Stay scattered, watch more videos, make more notes, take 0 action. Path 2. Build momentum with these exact 5 habits, starting tonight. And the free training I mentioned earlier, that's your path 2. If you're watching this thinking, okay, I need this, go grab my free training called Save Big while selling digital products with the right tools. Inside the training, I show you how to pick the right free and affordable tools, how to connect them into one simple system, and how to set up your first product so you can start selling. And you get my Lean Launch Toolkit Action Guide so you can take action fast. The link is below this video and in the pinned comment. And if you want support while you build so you do not feel alone, that is what you'll find inside Home Biz Builders. It's made for women starting from home on a micro budget, and it's built for real life. But start with the free training first. Build your first simple setup, then decide if you want the extra support. You do not need a big budget to start a real online business. You just need one simple product, one simple page, and one clear next step. Go watch the free training and take your first step today.